We'll guide you on how to fix the Google Chrome no sound problem. If you find this helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. When Chrome sound is not working, it can be really frustrating because you can't hear audio from different websites. You might be trying to watch a video or do something else, but there's no sound at all. In this video, we're going to show you a few simple fixes that you can try. Make sure you watch the full video so you don't miss any steps. To get started, open Google Chrome. Then go to the top right corner and click on the three dots. From there, click on Settings. On the left side, find and click on Privacy and Security. After that, click on Site Settings. Scroll down to the Content section, then click on Additional Content Settings and select Sound. Here, make sure that the option Sites Can Play Sound is turned on. Also, check that there are no websites listed that are blocked from playing sound. If you see any, you can remove them by clicking the three dots next to them. Next, go to the bottom right corner of your computer and find the sound icon. Right-click on it and select Open Volume Mixer. A window will open. Make sure the volume level is turned up and that the correct output device is selected. Then scroll down and look for Chrome under the Apps section. First, make sure Chrome is not muted. After that, adjust the volume level for Chrome as well. At this point, you should start hearing sound. If you still don't hear anything, check the Chrome tab you are using and make sure the website is not muted. You can right-click on the tab at the top and click Unmute Site if needed. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe to the channel. I look forward to helping you again with more easy and useful guides. Have a great day!